In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Facebook page admins. If you wish to go ahead and grant people access to manage your Facebook page, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Facebook page and then tap on this profile icon on top here. From here, head over to the ellipses here and then choose admins. Now, under admins, we have this option, manage admins. Go ahead and choose the first option, page access. Now under this, we have two options, people with Facebook access and people with task access. The second option, they'll have to access the page through other tools provided by Facebook, but for the first option, they will have access to the page and they can post content and even reels. Go ahead and choose the first option, add new. And here you're told anyone with Facebook access will have a shared experience, including your feed and your notification for this page. However, each admin will see ads that are personalized to them, to the activity across Meta. From here, go ahead and tap on next and go ahead and search the name of the account you wish to manage this. So I'll go ahead and search the name. And here's the contact that I'll wish to grant access. And we are told with Facebook access, this contact can manage the following: content, messages and calls, community activities, ads, as well as insights. If you want this page to have full control, you can also toggle this. However, it's not advisable if you don't want to give full access to your page. Go ahead and tap on give access here and then enter your profile password and then confirm your password. And now an invitation has been sent to the account and this will expire in 31 days should this person not accept. Now, on the other hand, the other person will receive a notification here to go ahead and access to this page. So here you can see they'll have to click on it and then review invitation here or decline it all at once. So I'll click on review. And the owner of this account is told what they'll have access, which is the same as what we are told on the other hand. And then tap on next and then accept invitation. From now henceforth, this account will have now access to the other account and now they can switch anytime by just tapping on switch like this. And now with this account, I have full control of what I can post on this new page that I've just granted permission. So that's how you can add Facebook admins for your page. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.